9 even.
All right.
9 even.
So let me set this up first. All right. April 16th. Let me set this up. The market opens up 8 or 9 points better than yesterday's close. We're in the room pretty bullish. I'm thinking it could at least test the overnight highs, which were like 2175s in this ES. I was dead wrong, but I didn't really lose money. Saving money is like making money. And I want to show you where my horns would have came off, and I said, be careful long. If you are long, think of it being the wrong side. And this was about 10 minutes after the open. 8:30 Central, the stocks open up, right? And the market's chopping around, giving reasons to break out the top of the range, all right? But two things happen. We talk about this a lot. Number one, you had fuel from the NASDAQ. Just look right in here, about 8:45. It was almost like looking opposite. You had a nice run up through 75. And I told everyone through 75 here in the NASDAQ, there's going to be a nice pop. And there was kind of. But the ES did not go along with it, right? Did not go along. So let's just play this ES out. And I'll show you what I seen in real time to get me the hell out of being long. And saving money's like making money. Choppy, slow session.
8 3/4. 8 3/4. 8 3/4.
Right here, I don't like the fact that it goes 1875 green edge zone buyers, but yet it stayed above it. So it's like, all right. At this point, I see that the NASDAQ go up through
8
and
quarters.
Through those 75s, and we really can't go. We should be trading 20. We should be trading 20 half. We shouldn't still be trading 19s, right? Now I see these green edge zones come in. On the audio, you could hear the price that they're coming in. It's like
9
below
half,
that,
9 half.
this market's in trouble. You
9
start to draw
quarters.
the real timeline
9
in the
quarter.
sand
9
of
quarter.
where you should not be
8
comfortable being
3/4.
long. And right in there, it flashed green-red at 19 quarter. Then the NASDAQ also started coming off, and it's like,
8
I don't
half.
know if
8
it's going to go up,
8 half.
but
8
I'm
half.
telling you, it ain't
8
going to
half.
go up now.
8 half.
And that's where if you're bearish, you get your ASS short. If you're long, you get your ASS out.
7 even.
Based on you knew where the line in the sand before this break, where the longs were in trouble.
6 3/4.
If you were bearish,
6
you got
half.
short.
6 half.
If you were long,
6
you got
half.
out. Instead of having to be in this disaster, one of the few moves this morning,
6 half.
you could be out up here. You could be short up here if you were bearish. I think I said if I wasn't long, I'd be bearish. It's how the mind works sometimes. It's not about being right. It's about how much you lose or don't lose when you're wrong. Today's the 16th of April. This all
5
took place
3/4.
within the first 10 or 15 minutes
6
from
quarter.
the open.
6 quarter.
Here was a decent move. One of the few so far in this early session.
6 3/4. 6 3/4. 6 3/4.